Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Geek. Today we have with us the newly launched Mi Smart Speaker, which is the first smart speaker from Xiaomi in India. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how it performs. In the front we have the model name and the picture of the product. And here at the bottom, you can see it supports DTS sound and works with Google Assistant. At the side of the box you can see some things which you can do with this speaker. And here at this side you have some features listed such as powerful sound, hi-fi audio processor with DTS professional sound tuning. You can play and control your media, set alarm and reminders, and control your smart devices. And here you can see it comes with a built-in Chromecast, which means you can cast the audio to the speaker. At the bottom we can see the MRP, which is Rs 5,999, but it's available to purchase at an introductory price of Rs 3,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the user guide, and then below it we have the speaker unit itself. The size of the speaker is bigger than I imagined, and it feels heavy as well. We will look at the speaker in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So here we have this small box, and in this we have the power adapter. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's look at the speaker closely. Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker, as mentioned earlier, is the first smart speaker from Xiaomi in India. And looking at the design and build quality, I'm really impressed with this product. The metallic finish on this speaker looks really good, and overall the quality feels premium, and keeping in mind the price of this product, the speaker quality is amazing. In terms of the overview, on the top we have the touch sensitive button by which you can control the speaker. And here you have the buttons to increase or decrease the volume, and then you have the mic mute button and also a pause and play button. You also get this multicolored ring light around the top of the speaker, which does look like Alexa Echo. Apart from that, you also have the dual far field mics on the top for voice recognition. Talking about the driver, in this smart speaker you get a 12-watt 63.5mm driver, which is bigger than the 40mm driver in the Google Home Mini and the Alexa Echo Dot. And here at the back you have the charging port, and at the bottom you have 4 rubber feet. Now let's turn on the speaker and set it up. Setup process is really easy, and you would need to download the app Google Home. And here once you sign in with your Google account, you will see the Mi Smart Speaker setup notification on the top. And now you just have to follow the on-screen instruction. The setup process was really easy, and we didn't face any issue with the setup. And here it is, our speaker is ready to use. Now like Google Home Mini, this speaker works with Google Assistant, and you can use phrase which is OK Google or Hey Google to perform tasks. For example, you can ask this smart speaker to play music. Play some music.
Alright, music on YouTube Music. Here you go.
Nike's on my feet.
And here you can see it started playing music. By the way, with this speaker, you also get 1-year Gaana Premium membership, which is worth Rs 999. And during the setup, you can select the music provider which you want to set as default. Now talking about the performance, I'm really surprised and happy with the performance of this speaker.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
The audio quality is really good and much better than some other non-smart speakers which are in this price range. The touch sensitive buttons on the top also performs good, and they're quite responsive. This speaker can hear you from distance, and the mic performance is also good. But I have noticed that sometimes it didn't catch my voice while playing songs at high volume. Which IPL match is today?
Today, the SRH will play the Indians at 3:30 pm. The Chennai Super Kings will play Kings 11 Punjab at 7:30 pm.
And guys, you can also pair this speaker as a regular Bluetooth speaker or use the built-in Chromecast to cast the audio from your computer or phone. And about that, I have noticed some lag while casting the audio from my phone, and the lag is quite significant.
अगर देखते हो तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ से चेंजेस देखने शुरू हो जाएंगे अब आपको। और ये जो वीडियो है ये है मेरे ट्रिपल मॉनिटर सेटअप के बारे में। मैंने कुछ दिन पहले
Apart from that, the audio quality is very good, and this speaker definitely offers good bass, clarity, and it's also pretty loud.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
You can also customize the bass and treble from the Google Home app. And if you don't know already, you can also change the language of Google Assistant from English to Hindi or any other language of your choice. Hey Google, तुम और कौन सी भाषाएं बोल सकती हो?
आप गूगल होम एप्लीकेशन में भाषा बदल सकते हैं। मेन्यू पर टैप करें, उसके बाद और सेटिंग पर टैप करें, अपना डिवाइस चुनें, फिर असिस्टेंट की भाषा पर टैप करें और एक भाषा चुनें।
हे गूगल, चुटकुला सुनाओ।
संजू अपने दोस्त से, मेरे बेटे ने 6 साल की उम्र से ही चलना शुरू कर दिया था। पंजू, ओह, तब तो वह अब तक बहुत दूर निकल गया होगा।
So overall, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker is a very good product, and if you're looking for a good smart speaker for your home to use it for music or control smart appliances, then Mi Smart Speaker is a very good option. And after using it for some time, I can say that it's much better than Google Home Mini and Echo Dot. And guys, you can also use 2 speakers in stereo mode and connect them with your TV, which is also an advantage. So to sum it up, we really like this smart speaker from Xiaomi, and hopefully we will see some more smart product range from Xiaomi in coming few months. And guys, as usual, if you like this product and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Speaker. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smart speaker in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.